CNC machining and design is a 2-year program. Upon completion, you'll receive a technical diploma. The students start out on manual equipment, specifically lathes and mills, in the first semester, and then we transition into CNC equipment in the second semester. From there, they learn CAD/CAM software and some manual programming. Within the program, the students build upon their base knowledge of CNC machining, and we introduce advanced concepts in CAD/CAM and advanced machining processes.
I think CVTC has an excellent program, especially with starting out, learning how to do the manual stuff before you move on, because then it gives you a little bit of a grasp on things, like you know, okay, this is what needs to be done on the CNC. I did that manually on the mill, so you're starting off from scratch and then going from there, which I think is very important.
I've learned how to read blueprints, I've learned how to measure things, I've learned how to program, just overall how metal works.
I learned how to use manual machines, the South Bend and the Bridgeport, and then I know how to run CNC machines as well.
The machines that we use here in the program are the exact machines. The software that we use is the exact software that they use in industry.
We use the same types of machines at school that we use here.
Demand in our area is high for CNC machinists. They have an opportunity to live and work anywhere they want.
Vincent Tool is a CNC machine shop, tool and die. We build injection molds. Almost anything that can be molded, Vincent Tool has had a hand in the last 25 years.
I started working here part-time during my 3rd semester of schooling, and then I came on full-time after I finished up my 4th semester.
We have partnered with CVTC, as well as myself being a graduate, for the last 25 years to bring guys together on different shifts, move them through their career paths.
I do a lot of small parts for the injection mold bases that we do. A lot of components that I either have to make from a scratch piece of material or modify.
My favorite part, I would say, is being able to see it from start to finish. Being able to take the raw stock and actually machine it into something useful and I'm going to utilize.
It's really cool to see the transformation.
Seeing the parts that you made, knowing that from start to finish you did that, and then assembling a part, that's probably the best part.
I like the hands-on aspect of our program. There's a lot of creativity that's involved.
I really like all the instructors we have. I like how they're encouraging you but not just giving you the answers.
They'll help you, but they also want you to figure it out on your own, which I think is super important.
The teachers and the instructors here, they really make sure you're prepared for how it is in the workforce.
It was a great experience. The instructors were really helpful. If you had questions, they would always love to help you out.
We team with and work with CVTC and current curriculum, continuing to spec new machines for industry. So as industry evolves, we're trying to make CVTC evolve as well. They're a great partner to us and other local manufacturers.
If you're a student that likes to work with their hands and has a creative mindset, a little bit of critical thinking, this is a program for you.